Alright guys, make a quick video here on bad boy. This is a bad boy ZT Elite with the 60-inch mower deck, and a couple of different things I tried for doing making lawn striping, or whatever you want to call it, stripes in your yard. And I had this on there, which I still got it on, but just basically to knock the grass over, give you a little bit. But I found out this here works a lot better, guys. On one of these, it works out pretty good, and it's real cheap. Just a 24-inch broom on there with two L brackets, and then all I did was, if you can see that or not, I put two bolts through the top and just one bolt down here on the mower deck. And I've mowed about 5 or 6 times now with this broom set up, and it does a lot better job. Of course, it's a lot closer to the ground too. I mean, you can set it wherever you want, whatever height you think you need it set at. I do most of my mowing between 2.5 to 3.5 inches, depending on the weather. So, like I said, I had that deal right there, which didn't work out too bad. Problem I was having with this rubber deal, it was a lot shorter, and I had to end up cutting them because I had this here bracket that I made. Just a tubing, and what I did is I mounted it down here in them holes. It was already on the tractor, and it worked out pretty good for quite a few years. The problem I had is every time I would raise the front of this tractor up, you know, I got one of them lifts right there to raise the front end up to get underneath to work on the deck or do whatever I need to do on the deck. And the problem was, when I jacked that way up, it was really putting a lot of bend on this rubber, and eventually it ended up tearing it. And that's pretty heavy duty rubber too. That's like they use in the horse stalls, and that ended up tearing that and breaking it off. So then I had to, what I did, I just cut the rest of it off and just shortened it up a little bit. But the broom deal, guys, is a lot better. Seems to be working out a whole lot, you know, a lot easier to mount. I mean, that didn't hardly take me very long to mount that, maybe a half an hour at the most, to get that figured out, how to mount that on there to get some pretty nice stripes. And I'll take you out front here and show you my front of my yard. It does a pretty nice job for doing it the cheap way, guys. On I don't know, they got some aftermarket. Bad Boy's got one that's similar to this, which actually a better type deal would be a roller type deal, with a little bit of weight back here on the back. Would give you probably a nicer stripe, but the broom deal seems to be working out pretty good, guys. I'll take you out front here real quick and show you. And when I mow at this angle once, and then I mow straight back and forth the next time. I don't mow the same way every time. But that's it right there, guys. Pretty nice stripes, just from the broom deal, and plus the rubber piece on the back does a pretty decent job too. So I mean, that's does a pretty sweet little job there, guys. And right there I mowed it just shy of 3 inches on this mowing right there, guys. So thought I'd throw that video out there, help some guys out, maybe wanting to do the cheap way of getting some lawn stripes on their yard. You can do that pretty much with any zero turn, as long as you got enough room behind between, you know, as long as you got enough room there to mount that like I did, which that worked out pretty good on this mower. And I'm guessing on a lot of the other zero turn mowers you probably wouldn't have no problem doing that either. And it's just you can see right now, there it is on the ground. I think that's setting at 4 inches right now, my mower deck. So let's see, or no, I got that setting at 1 inch. So that's setting at 1 inch right there. We'll raise it up there, and I'll show you what it looks like at about 3 inches, which I do a lot of my mowing around 3 inches. So right there gives you a little bit of clearance there at 3 inches. So like I said, I don't mow any much less than 2.5, maybe 2 in the fall time at the last mowing, but we'll see how it works out this fall if I go down to 2 inches. But works out real good there between 2.5 to 3.5 inches there, guys. And this here, this rubber mat right here, I'm not sure that it's how much grass it's bending over, but I just went ahead and left it on there. That was the old system that I used. And the broom deal seems to work a lot better, guys, on these. Pretty cheap. I just happen to have a extra broom laying around, so I just thought I'd try it. Threw that together real quick. Couple heavy duty L brackets, 1 bolt going through the deck, and then 2 bolts going down through the, I got 2 bolts on each side going down through the broom head. So you know, I do a lot of reversing and backing and forward reverse all over, and so far it hasn't bent anything. The thing seems to be holding up real good there, guys. So anyway, so I throw that video out there for some of you guys on these zero turns wanting to do a little cheap way of making a nice stripe in your yard there, guys. So that will conclude this video of the stripe kit on the Bad Boy Elite ZT with a 60-inch mower deck.